Okay, so this is the screen that you are in. Okay, so what you want to do from here, so if it's like I'm repeating it, please, is for you to get it. There's an issue with my connection here. So you click the install button and it brings you here. Okay, so on which domain do I want to put this? I want to put it on livebazaar.xyz. So you put it right here like the way it is. So what name do you want to call your blog? I want to call this blog live clothing black market. Let me call it black market. Okay, black market store. Okay, so that's what I want to call it. So after that, change this password to the password that you want. Okay, so change it to the password that you want. So I give you the opportunity to do that. I'm doing mine, so you do yours. What's the description of your site? What do you do? Mine is one-stop shop for apparels, bags, and shoes. Apparel, bags, and shoes. Okay, that's what we do here on this e-commerce. All right, so put classic editor here, classic editor. All right, and then put your default email that you used in buying it on Namecheap, and then click install. All right, click install. All right, so I believe you've clicked install. So once you click install, it will bring you back here. Just hold on. All right, so let's continue. It will bring you back here. All right, because I already installed here before, so yours would show something like this. So this is what you will see in yours. Live, put your, it takes about few minutes to load, so let it finish loading. Livebazaar.xyz. So yours is still loading because I've loaded mine before. So this is how it's going to look. So you're going to get a yellow classic WordPress editor page. This is how it looks. So this is it. Hello world. All right, so yours is loading, but this is what you are finally going to get. The hello world theme is what you are going to get. Okay, so from here now, if you want to go to the back end of your website where you will set everything, look at what I'm putting in the search bar. Put WP admin at the back of your domain. You put /WP-admin. Okay, so it will take you to the back end of your website. So this is the back end of your website. So here we go. This is the back end of your website. This is how it looks. So on the left you have posts for people who want to do blogging. You have pages for people who want to create websites, and then you have products for people who want to do e-commerce. And the purpose of today's lesson is e-commerce. So we are going to be having our own e-commerce store. Okay, so I have a page already here before, so I should see my page here that I was designing on. All right, so my page is still there. So the first thing you want to do now, I have some plugins also here, but I'm going to deactivate them so that we can, okay, I might not even deactivate. Okay, let me deactivate them, so I'll show you how to install those plugins one after the other. Okay, so classic editor is here, Elementor is here, and all that. So let me remove everything so that I can put them again. We'll do it together and you see how it's done. I'm removing paste tag too because I already put paste tag here before. So Google Ads for, these are things that I have done before. Just give me a few seconds. I'm not going to uninstall my Elementor. I'll tell you the reason why. Because to put it back is going to take me some time. So I'm going to delete all these plugins. Apply. I want to put them one by one so you see how you put plugins on your website. Now we should have just gone to customize the site to our e-commerce shop, but if we customize the site to our e-commerce shop without putting the plugins, we won't get the results we should get. Okay, so I want to delete all this. Okay, I think I should do it one after the other. Because if I start working from here and you don't see how I do it, doesn't make any sense, does it? Okay, so I'll delete this. Action is delete. So if it doesn't want to delete, I'll deactivate. So I'll deactivate. Okay, that's done. So if bulk action is deactivate, so I should be able to give it bulk action to everything. So let me deactivate everything. So we'll put them together, you and I, so that we can enjoy the ride, right? Good. So I believe they should all go now. Okay, it will delete now. So this is the back end. This is how your e-commerce website will look from the back. This is where you set and put everything you want your client and your customers to see. You see, it's not this thing is not deleting. Okay, it's been deactivated, so let me just delete it. You should be able to delete. Why is it done like that? Okay, so all right, so we don't get distracted by that. I'll activate everything also back. So the first plugin I want you to put, how do you get here? You come to the plugin on the left side of your dashboard, you click add new. There are two stuff here on plugin. You have installed plugin. Install plugins are the plugins that came with your system. For your own system, you have about 3 plugins: the Dolly, Hello Dolly, and I think Askimet, and one other plugin. But because I have worked on this site before now, that's why I'm seeing those other plugins. But for yours, it shouldn't be more than 3 to 5. So you want to put a new plugin, come to the left hand side of your dashboard and click add new. When you click add new, it will bring you here. So put Astra theme starter. Astra theme starter. So you will see this this sign, so it will tell you to activate. You know, I deactivated mine then. If not, it was supposed to show that it has been activated. So because I deactivated mine, it's telling me to activate now. So I'm activating it now. So I'm activating it. So activate yours too. So yours will first of all tell you install. So after install, it will now tell you activate. So when it installs, then you activate. So after Astra, you want to also install Elementor. Elementor has a pro, but you are, for the sake of this class, I can't tell you to go and buy Elementor. It has a pro version that has more themes and more possibilities. And sometimes when you are designing WooCommerce without using the pro, it might be giving you pages problem, where your pages are supposed to be stretched out and they'll be shrinked and all that. So so that's that. So put Elementor there. I want to join you. I've deactivated my own Elementor too. So it's going to tell me to activate it now. Elementor. You will see so many things coming out. Why I have to do it with you is so that you see the exact one you have to install. So this is it, the one with the red E sign. So click at activate. So that is done. Elementor has been activated. I have the Elementor Pro, so that's why you see this Pro here, because I use it for all other jobs. If you want to become an agent helping people build sites, you need to install Elementor Pro. It's about $30 for the list. The average is about, I think, $70, and then is it 70? Sorry, $200. We have that of, I think, $30 to $40, then $200. Just check on their website, elementor.com. You see all those things there. You click add new again. So you've installed Astra theme starter. You've installed and you've activated. You've installed Elementor. You've installed and you've activated. So now another one you want to install is WooCommerce. WooCommerce. This is the plugin that enables your website to look more like an e-commerce site. It comes with all the features. So just click activate. Install on your own. Then after install, activate. So yours will pop up. Your own will pop up asking you for some questions to set the country of your choice and everything. So you do that. Do it. But for the sake of this class, don't fill it now. I will show you where you can fill that later. Okay, after this part, I'll show you how you can fill in that, so that it will not take your time. Just close it. You just install and activate. Okay, so then the next one you want to install is Paystack. This is the plugin that makes people pay you, you know, on your e-commerce site. So install it and activate it. Okay, so oh sorry, it's bringing it out because I didn't put add new. Also make sure you always put add new. If you don't put add new, you only see the plugin on your system. It's the add new that is telling you that you want to install new WordPress there. So let's continue. So which one am I supposed to put now? I put Astra, I put WooCommerce, I put Elementor. Now I want to put let me confirm, what is it called? Paystack. Okay, Paystack. I want to show you the logo so you know which one to put here. Okay, so this is Paystack WooCommerce payment gateway. So install it also and activate immediately. Okay, I purposely deactivated mine so that we can do it together. So I want to assume you have done with your plugins. Okay, so for the other plugin that I have not activated, I'm going to activate them now because I've been able to show you what I want to show you. So I'll activate my plugins one after the other. I will activate my default plugin. I'm not ready to set up anything now. Then I'll activate my Google ad for WooCommerce. I'll show you that too later, how to set them up, but just activate and install them first. That's the first step. Activate and install them one after the other. And finally, let me activate this one too. Okay, I think, how many more? Okay, this is the last one now. MailChimp for WooCommerce. So I'll activate it. Yours will not. Don't bother yourself. Just install those 4 or 5 plugins I told you. Later on, when you sign up again for our other classes, we'll show you how to also all other important plugins that will be useful. But for your e-commerce site, these plugins are the ones you need. Okay, for your e-commerce site, so these plugins are the ones that you need. So all my plugins have been activated. I think there's one more here. Alright, so everything should be fine now with my plugins. So you are good with about 5 plugins you need for your WooCommerce. So what you want to do now is you want to come here, come to the left side of your dashboard and click Astra options. Click Astra options. You want to change the face of your website to a WooCommerce website. Click Astra options. Okay, come here. Where is it here? Okay, theme editor. Please just give me a few minutes. I want to check things. Alright. I already activated Astra on my own website, but I want you to activate it on your own website. I want you to activate Astra on your own website. Alright, so here you come here to your appearance. I wanted to try to uninstall my own Astra because it's not you are fresh, so I want us to be on the same page, but I have changed it so that we can both use Astra now. So on this appearance, you click themes. After clicking on themes, you come here and put under add new. Okay, welcome back. So here now, you come to your, one more time, you come to the appearance, you come to themes. I'm already there. So you click add new. As you click add new, you search for Astra. I can already see it, but let's just search for Astra. So you can see it here, right in front of you. And then you click, you can see it here. So you click activate. You know I have installed it before, so that's why it's bringing only activate for me. So you install first and then you activate. So it's been installed and activated. So you now come here also on the left hand side, you come to Astra options. Under Astra options, this is the themes panel for your so you look for the part where it says activate important plugin. On the right hand side, activate important plugin. Okay, so you look for that. It's to your right. Activate important plugin. So because I have installed that on my site before, it's not showing me that I should activate important plugin. So you click activate important plugin. After you click it, you'll see 4 options. Okay, you'll see 4 options there. So click Elementor. Under that 4 options, you see Elementor, Gutenberg, and about 4 other options. So you click Elementor. So under Elementor, we're now going to choose the theme that we want. Okay, so after you do that, you now look for a theme for your shop, for that shop that you want. You look for a theme for it. Let me just confirm something here. Back to Astra options. No, this is the thing that I choose for mine before. So please just hold on. I want to confirm where you pick a theme for your e-commerce store. Okay, not this. Okay, let's see the library. Okay, so this is where I wanted to bring you. So because I've done all this before, that's why I'm seeing all these things. So after you click the Astra theme and you install it, you searched it under add new. Don't forget you came here. Let me come back to it. You came to appearance, you clicked it, then you click themes. Under themes, you now click add new. You now search for Astra. After you search for Astra, you clicked it and then you installed and activated. And when you installed and activated, you checked on your right and you clicked on activate important plugin. So when you clicked yours, you came here. This was where you came. But I that I've already done that before, I just clicked look at where I clicked, that brought me here. In case you're having the same interface, because sometimes you can be getting different. I click C library in this same area that you guys are on yours. So mine, I just click C library to pick a template that I want. Okay, so that's how I found myself here. So from here, you want a an e-commerce store, so just put e-commerce. So you see different e-commerce store. For those ones that carry agency, please don't pick them. You have to have Elementor Pro for you to use it. I can pick them because I already have the Elementor Pro. Okay, so you just pick one, okay, for your purpose of your class. So you click the one you want, and then so you see it has 3 pages. All right, so it will ask you what should you do with it. Do you want to import only the home template, or you want to import the whole complete site? So you want the whole site, so you click import complete site. So with this importation, is going to import all important plugins. I want you to delete any other permanent stuff I have on my site, so import it. So with this, you are good to go. Your e-commerce site is almost ready. So e-commerce, WooCommerce, which we downloaded as a plugin, is what we are going to now go and customize, so that your people can pay you. Your clients and your customers can actually pay you. Do you understand? They can pay you on your website. So the website is importing. So once it finish importing, you and I we are going to look at how it looks. We are going to see how it looks. So the purpose of WooCommerce is for your client to be able to order, to pay, to upload pictures of products also. This is very important. Okay, there are other options that you can use on Elementor. You can use Shopify, but I will always advise use WooCommerce. Don't use Shopify, because Shopify has subscriptions per month, but WooCommerce is free, and yet it has so many other nice features. Okay, so it's better you use WooCommerce. So let's see how your site looks. We are waiting. 72% complete on mine. I don't know what it is on yours. Yours might be faster because of network, but let's wait for each other. So I'm waiting for it to load. It's almost done. It's complete. So let's view how our site looks. Your new site, how does it look? So this is how your site looks. Look at your site. This is your e-commerce site. Congratulations to you. This is how your site looks. All right, so let me now go straight to the second part of this. Let's go into customizing our site. How do we now customize our site? How do we customize it? Okay, so you come here to pages on the left hand side, all pages. So you can see all the pages that Astra imported with. Please, this one is not there. This one is my own personal page. Okay, I told you I've been working on my own domain before now. So this is it. So all you need to do now is now to edit it to your own taste. So if you want to edit it, you come to home, the one that carries home, and then you click edit with Elementor. You click edit with Elementor. So to edit to your taste, this is how it looks. You see a left panel having Elementor. Your Elementor is your page builder. Don't forget you chose it at the beginning. So you change it to taste here. So live bazaar For yours, you are likely to see here what you already typed there, so you don't need to change yours. But don't forget that I am doing this all over again, so my interface might not be like yours. So live bazaar, so live apparel auction, live apparel auction. So this is how it looks. So if you want to make this smaller, you click on style, you click typography, and then you adjust to taste. You see how many percentage off, you click it, you click the section, any section you want to edit, you click it, and then you type inside it. You want to give 15% off. Okay, so you type 15% and put it there. Oh, the percent is even there already. Okay, so for shop now, that's for button. What do you want to happen when someone clicks your button? I think I'll dedicate another time to explain that to you, because it will take us a whole lot of time. So you can also change the word on your button to I want this now. Whatever thing you feel is relevant or will be relevant to your business, you can put it there. Okay, so if people press that button, where do you want them to go? Well, this is the link. So let me show you something here. Let me update this first. Always update so that you don't lose whatever thing you do. Okay, I think I'll come back to the link. But anytime you want if someone press a button, you want the button to lead them somewhere, so you just click that button and then you come inside this place that is called link and just copy and paste the page you've created before. So where do you create pages for your link? I'm going back to my dashboard, the back end, so I'll click exit the dashboard. I was able to link this place from the left hand side. So you come to pages, all pages. All right, so like this is my own personal site that I was building. So if I want people to, oh sorry, I pressed the wrong key there. I mistakenly pressed the key. So if I want that button to take people to this place now, so you come on your dashboard and create as many pages as you want. How do you create a page? You come to the icon page, but today is not for that, it's just for e-commerce. So I just want to focus on e-commerce. So you click on pages and click add new. So it's on add new that you create new pages. So I've clicked add new now. So if you now want to write something on testimonial, you want them that if they click that button, you should take them to testimonial, or you should take them to reviews, or you should take them, let's say you put under that button, hear what our people are saying. So you now come here and put maybe testimonial or reviews or past records or whatever. So you put the title here, and once you put the title here, you click edit with Elementor, and once you do that, the page is already there automatically. So you now go and copy. Look at the way I copied my own. So if you want that page to link to any button, so you now come here and click the link. So I want that button now on my website. I want the website. So I want that button to lead people here. So I'll copy the link, and then let me go back to my home now. Home. So this is my home. So let's go back home now. My network is very slow. So here now, I want the person, so I click the button, so I come to the left hand side and paste the link that I copied there. Once I put it here, I click update. Alright, so it's updated. So for you to see and test the button, if the button is working, you click this one that looks like the sign of an eye. Click it, that's a preview to see if the things you just did are working. So once you click that I want this button, it should take you to my free webinar site. Oh, I was supposed to change the hash. Make sure that when you are copying and pasting, don't let there be hash there, the hash key. Just the link alone is okay. Okay, So once I click the button now, it should take them to my free webinar. You see my free webinar page. So you can create your own page also in your back end, and then put the link anywhere, wherever you see button, whatever thing you want to appear, go and create it. For shop now, if you want the shop now to take them to your payment page, which I will teach you later how you can create your payment page, you go and create your payment page, and once they click shop now, it takes them to buy or to enter that store and see all other things that are related to the product. So how do you edit all this? Just click on them and edit them to taste. That's what it's all about. Click on them and everything can be done on the right. You can change all these ones also. You can change them. Once you click on them, you just come here and start editing. You can delete the whole picture here. Yes, you can delete everything and put your own gallery of pictures which you've already had on your system, you know, whatever your customer wants. So you can put your own, you see, I want this, I want this, I want this, you know, and a whole lot, you know, I want this and all that. So if I put it here now, all the pictures will display in that gallery. So to start displaying inside. Okay, see now it has changed. So, and if it's a logo of companies that trust your brand that you want to put, you already have the logo downloaded either from Google on your system, and then you just upload them here. So that's how it is. Change this to the picture. If you want to change this to the picture, you click this. After you click it, you come to the left, you go to style, change the picture to what looks like what you're talking about. So you know best. So let's say I'm a black man, so I like to put the picture of the black lady there. So here you go. This is how your site looks. You can make the picture a little smaller, you can make it bigger also, you know, by all these settings. Just play around all these settings on your own. You can also make it be scrolling as you want, you know, however you want it, you know. And if you don't want it to scroll, you can just put it off and it will be exactly as it was before. Okay, so that's all about that. You can do the same thing here. Just click all the side buttons. So the side button are for things you want to change. Okay, they are for the things you want, while the inner buttons, this one with 4 buttons, is to want to delete the whole session. You don't want this, you want to put your own session there. That's what it's all about. Okay, so look at the same thing with this. Just click it and edit to taste. So when you are editing your layout, you have your style and you have your advanced. So your style takes care of color, takes care of margin. You want it to be lower, bigger, whatever it is, you do that under style. Advanced takes care of motions, effects, attributes and all that. Just play with them one by one and you'll be able to get it as you want. So you can also change all these icons. Click it. Once you click it, click the particular thing you want to change. Look at this now. You can change this icon to another icon. Put it here. If you have another icon you feel you love, like this. So it's all about you playing with it. So that speaks about what you want to write, and then you describe it. So if it's a shop, you can put a picture of a shop and put what you want to say here. This one can be location. You can put the sign of location, you know, put the sign and put what you want to say, you know, and all, and so on and so forth. And if you don't want to use the picture here, you can actually take icons from here. Icons, click icons into this place. You will see icons, whatever kind of icon you are looking for. So you can always place it here and do whatever thing you want. You can also edit the words. So you know, whatever, live, whatever. You can also change the colors. All the color of these things can be changed here. Let me change the color of this for you to know what I'm talking about. So click this, click style, okay, click typography, and then you can change the color of the words by yourself. So this text color, so you can change it to yellow or any way you want it. So you can customize it to your taste. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard. So your e-commerce is on. So it's just for you now to edit it to your taste. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and do some customization at the back end. So to verify everything is in order, you come to your settings here. Settings, go to general, under settings. So it's a black market store, it's a one-stop shop. You can begin to type your own and put it there. Your own might be showing my blog, so put what you want to do. And if you have already edited it when we're clicking WordPress, then you don't need to do anything here. So fill it what you want here, fill what you want here also, and then leave the rest. Don't touch it. Don't touch it, please. Leave the rest the way it is. Okay, so you click save. You are good with that. The next thing you want to check also is the reading. You want to check the reading. Okay, check your reading, how it is. Okay, home is home, yes, so that's fine with you. If you are a blogger, you want to write a blog for that your client who paid you well, make sure they are paying you well. For that their e-commerce, you can also put a blog here. You can select it, go to your dashboard under post. How you create blog is that you create blog under post, but you create pages that are connected to your site under pages. But for blog, you do that under post. But we don't need a blog for this, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, so leave it the way it is. Leave it the way it is. So leave it the way it is. Okay, don't tick anything there. So check for your permalinks. Come here to permalinks. Permalink. So in your own, it's possible that this place is tick under month and date or day and name. Change it to post name, please. It's the best for SEO, so that you'll be located during page searches when people are searching for product on your pages or anybody type clothes. All right, so we are good to go. So go to pages, go to all pages, and your home is always where your main site is always called your home. Okay, so click edit with Elementor. I'm going back to my dashboard. There is about it. So now to get new product, your own product. Now when you are editing this is our main page, so it's the home. When you click it now and you are editing it, please note that the what was it called, when you are editing the main page, please, I want it to open so that I can show you what I want to talk about. All right, see, you can also change any of this button to any of the pages that are in your back end. So whatever page you want to, just prepare it from the back end and put it there. Now always create a sense of urgency for these products. Okay, so if you want to create a sense of urgency, you can put like a countdown timer. Just type countdown timer here, so you put it here to show that this offer will not last. I don't know where I dropped that. A few minutes, please. Okay, it's not dropped yet. Here. Okay, let me see. It should fit here. Countdown. I can put my countdown timer here underneath those products to show that the product will not stay for long. So this is your countdown timer. Let me delete this session. just a few minutes. I'll put my time here. Special edition. So special edition here. Word editor, then put the text editor here. Okay, so the time should be able to show here now. Okay, so I don't know why the timing is not coming up, but if you want to put an urgency on your stuff, you can put it on your page. But to edit the product page, block view is not block inline. Okay. Anyway, so that's how you do. Now to edit this place, this product section, you can't change anything. Even if you click it, it will not change. So you have to do that from the back end. Okay, so I expect you now to leave here. So don't forget what I said. This up section can all be changed, but this place also can be changed. But anywhere you have the product section, it can be changed, because at WooCommerce there's a section dedicated for that. So if you want to change this place now, all you need to do, yours might not be showing this naira, it will be showing dollar. It's because I have edited my own WooCommerce some time back. So let's edit your own WooCommerce also, so that you can be able to see naira and dollar, and instead of dollar you can see naira there. Few minutes please. So I'll just show you how you do that, and then you turn it to your own good. Okay, and whatever one you don't like also you can remove it. So you come to WooCommerce. Here you can see WooCommerce. You go to settings and then set your WooCommerce that you downloaded on that plugin. Set it to test. Okay, so put the address of your this thing. This is mine, I don't need to put mine. So where do you want to be shipping to? Okay, select specific countries. You want to sell to specific countries, so mention the country, type it here. You just click it and the country will come. If you want to do more than Nigeria, you can put as many countries there. Okay, speed to specific country, put it there also. Then default customer location, put it at shop base address. Okay, enable tax, enable the coupons. Now in the currency, if you want your own to display naira instead of dollar that is displaying in the product section, you put it at naira here. Okay, so you click save setting, you save that. So after that also you come again to this place. This is where we'll be stopping. We'll be moving to the payments, how to integrate payments in our next lesson. So we'll be dropping the link below for you to join. For those of you who took this class, you are going to be having almost free for that. So we are only going to be charging you a little, but we can't put everything in one video because of space. So for your shop space, make sure you put this on store the way I did mine. Okay, leave other things the way it is. Okay, so leave that for your product. Leave taxing also the way it is. For your shipping, this is the important one aspect of it. Okay, so I have put my own shipping here, but let me show you how it is done. So you click add shipping zone. That's how you add this one. You click add shipping zone. You put the zone name. If you are selling in Lagos, right? So I already put Lagos, but let me just put Akure. Okay, so the zone region Where is it? Nigeria. So what is the shipping method that will be used to ship things to this place? So you want it on flat rate, or you want to make it free shipping? You can do free shipping. Just make sure you've put everything in your price. You know, if you are just starting up, you want to get the attention of many clients, so put free shipping. But for those of you that want to put flat rate, just put apply. Okay, so you now come beside it and edit it. Okay, to the cost, click edit. So you put 1,000, 2,000 for out of Lagos. Okay, so it will show like that on your page. So that's how you had it. So you now click save. Automatically it's saved already. Okay, so that's how it is. So that's how it is. So when you come here now, the Akure would have been added to my shipping zones. So if you have more than one shipping zone, that's how you had it here. So you can see my Akure zone here. So you had as many you want to add, and there's something technical around here that I wouldn't like you to miss. Now, the way you set it, when you are setting for your shipping zone, I don't want you to miss this. Don't set all zones to be the same. When you set Lagos, you put 500 naira within Lagos. Don't set outside Lagos like that. So you can see how I did mine here. There was one zone that I called Lagos, and I put it at, if you check my edit here, it's 500. When I put another zone at Southwest, and I listed the name of state under Southwest, and I did not put 500 under here, under edit, the way I did the first one, I just put 1,000. I now put any other zone to be outside all these Southwest. I put under flat rate, I put 2,000. Can you see? And that one does not, you don't need to list it, just put Nigeria there. So don't miss it and go and put the same price there. Make sure you list your zones. And if you want to do free shipping, put your price already in your on the cost of your product, so that can be taken care of already. So after that, you go to payment. So payment is what takes us to our next training. Okay, so but before we move to the next part of the training, so you also want to customize that aspect I told you can't change from the dashboard. So it's under product. So you come to product. Okay, if you want to edit the product the way it is there, just click all products. If you want to add a new product, just add a new product and delete those other ones. You can only delete that section from the dashboard. You can't, the way we're doing it at the up section, the middle section, you can't do it for the product section because it's an icon here. They programmed it like that. So the CSS system doesn't permit you to do that. So here you can now edit to taste. So look at it here now. So you can now change it because they call the DNK black shoe. Let's look at that. Let's look at where they call DNK black shoes. Okay, this is, they call it DNK black shoes. So you can edit it to your own choice. You can say kiddies shoe and make sure the picture you put there too will be kiddies shoes. Okay, so that's kiddies shoes. So what's the description of the product? Italian whatever. You can describe it. Just check Jumia and all those. It tells the way they describe their product and do the same thing. Okay, Italian it's not leather, but it's a sneakers. Italian material made of whatever. So this just for this sake of pure, I don't know, I don't care what it's made of. So just made of white stones or something, you know. So that's it. Then that's not all. You go under it, you describe it. How much is the regular price before now? You can put the price to be 10,000. Okay, so what price are you giving now during your discount? You are selling it at 7,000 naira. Okay, that's it. So leave other taxable and standard, leave it like that. Go to inventory. How many is in stock? This is also important. It gives your client a sense of urgency to know they don't have all the time, but rather to buy. Okay, back orders means, do you want them to be shopped, to call the seller directly? No, you don't want them, so you leave it as do not allow them. Only on my site should they shop. Okay, So do you want the WooCommerce to inform you when your goods are getting low, so that you can quickly order for more, you yourself, so that you won't run out of stock? So you can tell it to remind you when your goods are getting to fall. Okay, so shipping, leave shipping like that. No need to touch your shipping. Every other thing should be left. So this one, the link products are okay. If they buy a shoe, are you giving them also a, what other thing can go with it? Maybe polish or something. So you can put it here. Okay, you can enter the name of those products here, and there's a way you create a sub for it here. Okay, you put it under group product and then you set it there, but for this purpose we don't need that. So that is it. So we put a shop description. You can put short description. You can write it also. You can put white shoe for kids. There's a whole training on copywriting alone, a whole training on it, so which you can use to know all this. So if you want to change the picture, you come to the right, you click remove product image, you put your own. Okay, put your own. Don't forget we are doing kids shoes, but you know I can't start downloading that, to take me time. So just go on Google and download whatever thing you want for your clients. Okay, so let me pick a shoe here for them. Okay, let's use this white one. This one looks like for kids. So you type the title here, kids shoes, under alt, and then you set your product image. So that image is here already. So of course you should have more than one product. That's why you should go to your, you see why you have to charge well, because you have to go and snap all your clients' products one after the other, and you must snap more than one position for one. At least you have 3 to 4 images for one stuff, so that it can be changing once they click it. You understand? Kids shoes, okay, kids shoes, yeah, that's correct. You can add another one. You can add this one. You can see it telling you shoe 5. So that's it. That's how you add that, and then you come here and click update it. It's already under the category you want it. If you want to change the category, you can change it. So when you come here now, that thing that you just edited is edited. So don't forget, you edit so you can see what we just changed. This is what we just changed now. You can see the picture has changed. And if you click it, you will see all other pictures that we added to it. You see? So this is it. So that is how it looks. You can zoom it and check other things. So that is how you edit that particular session. That is how you edit it. So to all other sessions also, like the about page, you can go there and edit it to taste. Just sit down with it, and if you have questions, you can put it in our Telegram group. We are going to answer you, and we'll always be there to answer you. So that is how it is. That is how to edit that particular session. So if you want to edit another one, it's the same thing. It's the same thing you do. Okay, I have not even refreshed this page. Okay, and if you don't, so we save that under main, so it should be here. So, and if you don't even want any of those, so you can see the one we just did now under main. See the shoes, we changed it. So the thing is the one that strike through, is the system that struck through the 10,000 and put our own price there. And these are the, once they click it, you see the 2 shoes that we added for the child. See the 2 shoes here. See, these are the shoes we added. These are the other ones we added too. So what about our product description? So once they check our description, they will see, okay, you see Italian material made of white stones, what we typed the other time. So that's how you do them one after the other. So for the other one too, you click it and change it. So you just come to your product page, all products, and change it. And if you don't want it, you can delete them one by one and create your own product. Your own product might not even be more than 3 or 4. So you just delete it. You just come here and delete. You click, you see trash it, and then come to add new and create your own product. You click add new. But before you click a product, make sure you create a category for it. Please don't forget these things. Rewatch this thing so that you understand it at all times. You have to create a category. So on the right hand side, you see where the categories are. When you click a product, you see the category where it belongs. So look at DNK shoes now. Before you edit it, make sure you click it first. Look at the category it is. It is under what? Men category. So that when you want to change it to your own product, you won't go and put it under a category it shouldn't be. So I always advise people, the best thing is just to delete everything you have here and create your own, first your category. So you can do men's shoe, female shoe, bags, whatever. Then you go and put your product on that. Once you design your product on this side, when you have done designing it, then you now go on the right hand side and put it under the categories that you've chosen. That is all about this. So I want to wish you good luck in your career in e-commerce. I also want you to know that the name of the company offering you this is Digisale Solution. Our office is in 18B in Ikoyi, Lagos. You'll see all the addresses. The part 2 of this, which will be about 15 minutes video, which is to how to implement your payment plan so that you can get paid on your site. So that once they click this, once they click any of this product, they will pay you for this. Like if someone clicks this product now, okay, yes, if they click add to cart, it should show here. It should show here. You see, 1. So after that, they go to checkout. So how will they now pay you? That we are going to do that. That was the place in WooCommerce I told you that if we start it, it will take another 15 to 20 minutes. So the video will be recorded and it will be dropped to you. So the link to the Telegram group is already in our email. Please join us in the Telegram group and ask questions. We'll be there to support you. I wish you good luck in your endeavors. Thank you.